what I would call a customer journey, right? So which means we would take the customer from actually understanding their product and the protection and the supply chain that they want to deliver it into until really delivering the final packaging design. So we'll help them with the modeling of the intake of moisture, the sensitivity to oxygen, the sensitivity to light. And then we say, hey, based on that data, this is your perfect packaging solution. And by the way, we would also shape the blister packaging cavity maybe a little bit different to have a better protection or better durability of the solution. And we don't stop there. Then we offer to do prototypes for the customer. So which means in our i.center in Charlottesville, customers can get 10 blister samples for their marketing team or 100 for consumer testing to really look at how is the new packaging. Do people like it? Is it easy to open? And where does this go? And when a customer then decides, okay, I want to qualify the material, then this is where our local application engineering team actually comes into play. So which means we would send experts to their lines to help them really run the material and qualify the material. So it's an end-to-end journey that we support our customers on with finding the right packaging material and really getting it through stability, compliance, and qualification in their processes.